Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is, find unit digit of 264 raised to 102 plus 264 raised to 103. So you have to find out the unit digit we will be obtaining when 264 raised to 102 is added with 264 raised to 103. So here you have to analyze the question carefully. So here 4 raised to 102, here you need to consider only the unit digit. So your answer will be a multiple of this 4, or unit digit only you have to take into consideration. So 4 raised to 102. So what is the peculiarity of 4? So if we can see, 4 square is equal to 16, then 4 raised to 4 is equal to 256, and similarly 4 raised to 6 is equal to 4096, and it goes on. So any even power of 4 ends in 6. As you can see here, 4 square is equal to 16, then 4 raised to 4 is equal to 256, and 4 raised to 6 is equal to 4096. So any even power of 4 will be ending in 6. So that is what you can infer from this. So 264 raised to 102 also will be ending in 6. Okay, since it is an even power of 4. 264 raised to 102. So there an even power of 4 is coming, 4 raised to 102. So it will be obviously ending in 6. Then what about 264 raised to 103? 264 raised to 103 will be 264 raised to 102 into 264. So 264 raised to 102 is ending in 6. So 6 into 4 will be giving you 24, or it will be ending in 4. 264 raised to 103 will be ending in 4. How did you get it? You know 264 raised to 103 is equal to 264 raised to 102 into 264. 264 raised to 102 is ending in 6, and 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So from that you will be getting 264 raised to 103 ends in 4. So this is how you can find out the units digit. You have to find out the units digit of each factor. 264 raised to 102 added with 264 raised to 103. So you have to find out the unit digit in 264 raised to 102 and the unit digit in 264 raised to 103. So you have to systematically analyze the numbers given. 264 raised to 102, what will be the unit digit, and 264 raised to 103, what will be the unit digit. So that way you have to work out and see. So all the even powers of 4 will be ending in 6. So from that you can easily say 264 raised to 102 will be also ending in 6. Then 264 raised to 103 is equal to 264 raised to 102 into 264. So 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So this will be ending in 4. So now 264 raised to 102 is ending in 6, and 264 raised to 103 is ending in 4. So when these are added together, what you will be getting? 10 or 0. So you can say 264 raised to 102 plus 264 raised to 103 will be having units digit is equal to 0. So once you practice these kind of questions, you can easily solve any question of this format. Now second question, find unit digit of 127 raised to 32 into 824 raised to 32 into 45 raised to 82. So here also you have to find out a unit digit, 127 raised to 32 into 824 raised to 32 into 45 raised to 82. So here when you analyze, you can see that 5 is coming in the unit digit, a power of 5 is coming, an even number is also coming. So from that you can see 5 square. So let's take 5 square into 2 square. What you will be getting? 25 into 4 is equal to 100. So whenever you are having a 5 square and an even number square, you will be getting 0 in the units digit. You can check with any number. 5 cube. So 5 cube into 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. So 125 into 16. There also you will be getting a 0 in the units. 6 into 5 is equal to 30 will come. So surely you will be getting a 0 in the unit digit. So here any power of 5 multiplied with any power of an even number will be giving you 0 in the units digit. So by just observing the question itself, you will be able to answer. Here you are having a power of 5, you are having a power of an even number. So when both of these are multiplied together, you will be getting 0 in the unit digit. Thank you for watching.